Imagine a spectacle where the Earth itself seems to dance, spewing molten rock into the sky. That's exactly what's happening as Hawaii's Kilauea volcano stands on the brink of another eruption. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see destruction, others see creation and cultural significance. In Honolulu, the anticipation builds as scientists predict that Kilauea will once again burst forth with lava in the coming days. This would mark the 31st time since December that the volcano, known as one of the world's most active, has erupted. The sight is nothing short of mesmerizing. Lava fountains shooting high into the sky, glowing red and orange, and illuminating the night. For those fortunate enough to witness it in person at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, or through the U.S. Geological Survey's live streams, it's a natural wonder that leaves a lasting impression. For Park Service volunteer Janice Way, each eruption is a front-row seat to nature's grandest show. When the lava erupts, it sounds like a roaring jet engine or crashing waves, and its heat can be felt from over a mile away. Every eruption feels like I'm sitting in the front row at nature's most extraordinary show. Way shared via email. Kilauea is located on Hawaii Island, the largest in the Hawaiian archipelago, about 200 miles south of Honolulu, the state's largest city. To understand what's happening beneath the surface, we turn to Ken Hon, the scientist in charge at the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory. He explains that a lower magma chamber under Halemaumau crater receives magma from the Earth's interior at a rate of about 5 cubic yards per second. This influx causes the chamber to expand, pushing magma into an upper chamber and eventually forcing it to the surface through cracks. And this is the part most people miss. Magma travels to the surface through narrow, pipe-like vents, holding gases that are released as it rises. The pressure builds until it's finally released, much like opening a shaken champagne bottle. This process has been ongoing since December, making the initial eruption and subsequent episodes part of the same event. In the past 200 years, Kilauea has produced towering lava fountains in repeated episodes 4 times. The 1983 eruption, which lasted for 3 decades, saw 44 such sessions. However, these occurred in remote areas, limiting who could witness them. The 1959 and 1969 eruptions were the other notable instances. Predicting the future of Kilauea's current eruption is a challenge. Scientists use a network of sensors to monitor earthquakes and subtle ground movements, which help them estimate when lava might emerge. However, the exact outcome remains uncertain. The eruption could continue as it has, or it might shift to a different pattern, similar to what happened in 1983 when a new vent opened at a lower elevation. Steve Lundblad, a geology professor at the University of Hawaii at Hilo, notes that the lava fountains have become shorter recently, possibly due to the vent widening and reducing pressure. Despite this, he believes the eruptions will remain spectacular, just not as tall. For many, the lava flows represent destruction, but for Hui Kanahele Mossman, executive director of the Edith Kanakaole Foundation, they symbolize creation. Lava hardens into new land, forming the foundation of Hawaii Island. Kanahele Mossman's foundation carries on the legacy of her grandmother, a renowned practitioner of Hawaiian language and culture. Her hula school, Halau o Kekuhi, specializes in dances that tell the stories of Pele, the volcano goddess, and her sister, Hi'iaka. Kanahele Mossman visits the crater to observe and connect with the ancient stories performed by her school. She chants and offers gifts, such as awa, a drink made from kava, and fern leis to honor the traditions. To be able to actually see that eruption that's described in the Malay songs, that's always exciting to us and drives us and motivates us to stay in this tradition, she explained. Visitors to the park have increased significantly, with a 49% rise in April compared to the same month in 2024. Jessica Farrakane, a park spokesperson, advises visitors to sign up for U.S. Geological Survey alerts to catch the eruption in action. She also warns of the dangers, including unstable ground, volcanic gas, and the need for flashlights at night. Staying on marked trails and keeping children close is crucial to ensure everyone's safety. So, what do you think? Is the eruption of Kilauea a symbol of destruction or creation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.